Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Install Graph Autotune v1. 2+, confirm CLI is on your path, and ensure GPU drivers if using acceleration. Next, prepare a representative dataset with node ID, edges, weights, and relevant features. Use a small 1K, 10K row sample to iterate fast. Once done, back up your existing config file and create a baseline model run with default presets so you have a reference. This fast first step gets you into tuning without wasting time on full runs. You run the baseline to capture latency, memory, accuracy, and convergence behavior. These metrics define objectives for Autotune. Then enable Autotune mode, specifying the search space, learning rate, batch size, neighborhood depth, objectives such as accuracy versus latency, and a time or evaluation budget. Make sure to choose progressive search. Start with a coarse grid to prune bad regions, switch to Bayesian optimization for promising areas. Then perform a fine local search to polish settings. Throughout, monitor resource use. You apply the best found configuration and validate it on the full dataset, comparing accuracy, latency, and memory against your baseline to quantify improvements. Once satisfied, freeze hyperparameters, commit the tuned config to version control, and document the performance delta and any caveats. If you encounter instability or divergence, a key troubleshooting tip: reduce learning rate or step size, increase regularization, or lower batch size to stabilize training. Also rerun the small sample check to confirm the issue is reproducible before full-scale rollout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.